Good evening, everyone. High caseloads and a shortage of staff are putting children at risk. That's the alarming message from employees inside the Department of Children's Services. Investigative reporter Ben Hall obtained comments from a recent employee survey that some call a cry for help.
The comments paint a disturbing picture of what is happening inside the department responsible for protecting Tennessee's most vulnerable children. "We are always short-staffed," one employee wrote. Another wrote, "The amount of cases placed on the supervisor and case manager are extremely unreasonable. And this is where mistakes are made, lack of staff."
Yeah, you really get the sense when you read through this that these people are really asking for help.
State Senator Heidi Campbell and Representative Gloria Johnson obtained hundreds of comments from a recent employee survey after hearing from DCS workers concerned they would be fired if they spoke out publicly.
Our kids, the most vulnerable kids in Tennessee, are not getting the things that they need.
Concern over rising caseloads took center stage in recent years as the opioid epidemic tore families apart. This survey reveals growing problems. The stress on staff is very high, and COVID has made it worse, one employee wrote. Employee comments showed employees with 40 or 50 cases. Some cases have more than one child, and workers must visit each child at least once a month.
We're not being able to cover all the bases with these kids because they are understaffed.
A recently proposed state law would have capped the number of cases for each worker at 20 per month. But a last-minute compromise changed the bill to say workers could not average more than 20 cases a month. When they say an average of 20, is that getting the job done?
It's not getting the job done, and I'm questioning if those averages are really 20, quite frankly.
DCS sent a statement saying it tries to have a healthy work environment and set high expectations for how the department serves Tennessee families. In response to our questions, the department said 41 case managers had more than 40 cases last month, and 19 had more than 50 cases.
We are sitting on $1 billion surplus in the state, and we are not funding our DCS program, and our kids are suffering for it.
A big problem is finding qualified people to take these jobs. Currently, DCS has more than 380 vacancies for caseworkers, despite a recent salary increase of more than 4%. Lawmakers say these comments show kids aren't getting the help they desperately need. Ben Hall, News Channel 5 investigates.